Welcome, little learners, to the magical color factory. Inside this colorful factory, the colors are missing their sparkle. Can you help mix colors and bring the rainbow back?
Yes!
Great! Put on your colorful helmets and let's begin. Our first stop is the red room. Everything here is red. Red like apples. Red like fire trucks.
Red!
Can you find something red around you? Splash! Welcome to the blue splash zone. Blue like the ocean. Blue like the sky.
Blue!
Everybody pretend to swim like a blue whale. Wow, it's so bright here at the yellow sunshine station. Yellow like bananas. Yellow like the sun.
Yellow!
Let's stretch our arms and shine like the sun. Uh-oh, the rainbow machine stopped working. We need to mix colors to fix it. Red plus yellow. What happens when we mix red and yellow?
Beep boop. Orange!
Correct. Orange like pumpkins. You did it. The magical rainbow machine is working again. Shimmer, sparkle, whoosh. Look at the beautiful rainbow in the sky.
Wow!